Did you know you can earn cryptocurrency just for walking? In this video, we're covering Walken, a free-to-play move-to-earn app. I'll show you how much you can earn and how much effort it will take, both as a completely free player and when you can cash out and how much you'll be earning, and as a premium player if you decide to invest in the game. I'll also include this handy workbook that you can adjust to your preferences, and it will show you how much you can actually earn with the time and amount invested. You're gonna get a lot of value from this video, and if you find anything helpful, feel free to support this video by hitting that like button. But full disclosure, I am an investor in Walken, and this video is sponsored by the Walken team. But of course, I am gonna give you all the information you need to make an educated decision if you wanna get involved or not. With all that said, let's get started. What is Walken? Walken is a mobile crypto game that is completely free to play, where you can earn cryptocurrency for walking. I know it sounds simple, it's actually not that easy. You have to compete against other players, and if you win, you earn Walken tokens. Walken is a cryptocurrency, and then you can convert that to cash. Now this video won't go into all those steps. I'll have a full step-by-step tutorial in an upcoming video, probably the one right after this one. Now with the Walken app, it tracks your steps daily. It doesn't track your GPS location, so if you are using a treadmill, this might be more to your benefit, and if you have more steps than your competitor, you'll very likely win at the earlier levels. At higher levels, it depends more on your overall stats. How do you play Walken? So we go to the official website, walken.io. I will also have a referral link in the description for you to find this information, and then we download the app for our mobile device. I'm on Android, so we're going to download it from the Google Play Store. I'm going to set up a new account using my Google account, and then we're going to be asked to write down our recovery phrase. This is your crypto wallet. It is setting up a crypto wallet for you on the Solana blockchain because Walken is built on top of Solana. Now you can also just copy to clipboard and worry about it later, but definitely secure and back up your seed phrase properly because you're going to put a lot of time and effort into this, potentially even money, and you don't want to lose all of that in the event that your wallet is hacked or you lose access to your wallet. So stay safe out there. And then during the sign up process, the game is going to ask if you have a referral code. I have mine here. And if you use that, you're going to get 10 gems, 5 Walken tokens, and 100 Mistberries. And now that we have our account set up, we can start going into the competitions. But first we want to go into our collectibles and then select our Cathlete, Shireen, and then we want to level this guy up. And to do that, we select him, he's at level 0, we hit that plus sign, and then we need 7 gems to level him up. Luckily, we have enough, otherwise we would have to register 7,000 steps in the game because gems are something you can't buy or trade, you have to earn them. And our Cathlete will be leveled up in just a moment. Now that he's ready, we can start competing. And we want to go into a competition to potentially win some crypto. So I'm going to select competitions, and then we are in League 1. This is the only one available to us. You can see these other leagues are locked based on the minimum Cathlete level. So we're going to compete in League 1. We're going to choose our Cathlete, and we have 3 energy. So let's talk about energy. You get 1 of these every 2 hours. And when we have 3 like this, we want to use them up as soon as possible, especially if we don't plan on walking in the next few hours. And before we select them, we want to see where their biggest attribute is, and that's in speed. So we want to do sprint running. So that's when speed is the most effective stat, while urban running is for strength. And for the marathon race, you're going to need stamina. So since our biggest attribute is in speed, we're going to select the sprint running competition. Then we have the anti-cheat verification, which I'm glad they have, so it doesn't ruin the value of the game or the tokens to other users. And then the competition begins. So speed is 6.6. That is going to be weighted heavier than the other stats. And I think we won. We won 0.1 Walken tokens. And to see where that is, we go to our wallet. We scroll over to the right to the Walken tokens, and our pending balance is 4.1. Now we can't actually withdraw these tokens yet. We would need to do 2 things. We would need to own a Cathlete, or we would have to mint our own. To mint your own Cathlete, you would need to level up your current Cathlete to level 6 and then convert it to an NFT for another 200 Walken tokens. Heading over to our handy chart here, we're going to take a look at how long it will take to get to level 6 with an NFT, because we have to pay to mint our Cathlete into an NFT. And once we reach this point, that's when we'll be able to withdraw cryptocurrency that we earn. I'm going to provide this worksheet to you. If you want to use it, please make a copy so you can make edits to it. So we're starting off at level 0, max level 6, competitions 10 per day, win rate, let's say it's 50%. I think that might be a little generous, but that's if you are doing at least 10,000 steps per day. It might get more difficult once you're in the level 4, 5, 6 area because other people might have items. But let's say you did that every day for 260 days straight and you maintain that 50% win rate. Starting on day 260, you'll be earning cryptocurrency. And let's see what your balance would be after a year. So let's say you start today, you play every day for a year, and your win rate is 50% with 10 competitions a day, and you want to stop leveling up your Cathlete at level 6. You would end up with 743 Walken tokens in 1 year. Let's say we do max level 10. You wouldn't actually make it to level 10 in the year, you'll make it to level 8, but you would be earning more per game, so that can grow even more. So let's change that up. Let's say we're starting at level 8, we would have 4,000 Walken tokens after a year. I know it isn't a lot of crypto, but you are earning cryptocurrency for free, which is why we have to learn about the value of the Walken token. What gives the Walken token value? And that comes from its in-game economy, and we have to look at demand. If there is enough demand for people to buy and use the Walken token, the value will go up. If there isn't enough demand, the price will go down. So you need the Walken token if you want to buy a Cathlete, if you want to buy anything from the marketplace, if you want to level up your Cathletes, or if you want to breed some Cathletes. All of these have very different pricing. Now I know you can earn the Walken token for free, but if you were going to take this pretty seriously and you were going to play this every day, it might be more to your benefit if you invested in Walken tokens to buy a Cathlete now. So let's take a look at that example. This is the cheapest Cathlete for sale at the moment for 565 Walken tokens. And if we put this in our handy sheet here, we put in the price, we assume that we're going to win 50% of our matches, and we buy a common Cathlete at level 6 here. You can see here it's going to take us 91.4 days to earn the Walken we spent. So remember that, that's 91.4 days to earn our money back and just have a Walken Cathlete. And if we did the same thing starting from 0, it would take us 260 days. So it depends on how serious you want to take this, and the in-game economy can change over time. Maybe your win rate goes up, maybe it goes down, and it all depends on your luck. Now let's take a look at a few more things within the app, and there are gems. So you get 1 gem for every 1,000 steps you take, and then they also have a gem multiplier. The gem multiplier allows you to earn a boost based on how many Cathletes you own. So if you own more NFTs, there is more of an advantage for you to earn more gems to level up your Cathletes even faster. Then we have the Walken token. As I mentioned earlier, it has several different use cases, and you will have a pending balance here. This will be grayed out if you don't have a Cathlete, which means you have to get to level 6 and then mint your Cathlete, which will cost you another 200 Walken tokens. And if you want to buy some Walken tokens, they are available on Bybit. I also have a referral link that will get you your full value in the description. And then on the far right, you have your Solana wallet, because Walken is built on Solana. If you want to withdraw any of the Walken tokens you earn, you're going to need a little bit of Solana in your account, less than $1 worth of Solana. That'll be enough to withdraw your Walken tokens and deposit them to Bybit, where you can convert that for USDT and then withdraw that to your personal bank account on another platform. And then we also have Mistberries, which gives you a competition boost and can be worth it, but remember, Mistberries are not tradable or sellable. Once you have them, you have to either use them or just let them sit in your account. So if you buy 80,000 Mistberries, you'll have a 30% boost to all your stats within the competitions. This can be worth it if you are a serious player with multiple Cathletes. Things you should know before playing Walken. Now, I ran into a lot of issues. They are in their public beta stage, so there are a lot of updates, which causes a lot of issues. And if you run into any issues, most of them can be solved with these two things. 1, restart the app. 2, restart your phone. Anytime there is an update, I definitely have to restart my phone, or sometimes I just have to close the app and restart it, and then everything's gonna work like normal. Some of these issues might include steps not being tracked, energy not being updated, and a simple phone restart is gonna solve that. Now, there are some platform differences between Android and iOS. If you are an Apple user, you get more features like statistics. It is pretty nice seeing how much you've been walking. Now, I ended up testing some smartwatches and found out if you are gonna use a smartwatch, Android, not gonna count it. If you have an Apple Watch, it is gonna track it. So if you wanna be at the gym, on the treadmill, and you have an Apple Watch, your steps are gonna get counted. If you're an Android user, you gotta have that phone in your pocket. Other ways to earn free crypto from Walken. So Walken also has a referral program, and you get 5% back on the Walken your referral spend in game. This does not include the sales of NFTs. Walken also has an ambassador program. You can apply to be an ambassador, which comes with a bunch of rewards, including Walken tokens. Ambassadors are expected to know the game well and take part in content creation, AMAs, create local events, and more. And staking. Very soon you'll be able to stake your Walken tokens so you can earn Walken tokens passively. Now that you have all of that information, playing Walken isn't gonna make you rich, but you are gonna build healthier habits while earning free crypto passively. The game is designed for anyone to get started, which is a very nice way to bring more people into the crypto world. And with that, I'm Walken. Are you Walken? Okay, that's a weird sign off. Links in the description for everything. Full tutorial video next, so subscribe if you haven't. And with that, I hope you got your full value for today.